Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add tags on WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are on the WordPress admin panel. After that, we will be needing to go to WordPress so we can be able to start enabling and setting up our taxes. So basically, we can go to WooCommerce. From here, we go to settings, and let's go back again to the settings, and simply we need just to go here and we will find uh, tax, product tax, shipping, payment, etc. And of course we are interested in tax settings, and from here you will need just to start uh, setting up your taxes. So basically make sure that you will enter price inclusive tax or no, etc. And of course you can start adding how your tax price would be calculated. Would it be calculated based on the customer shipping address or based on address? And also you can run the tax as subtotal level. You can start add additional tax classes and whatever you like. So basically, after that, you will be needing to add your price display suffix and some price, the display price during cart and checkout if you want. Would it be including tax or excluding tax, and etc. etc. And basically, after that, you can also go to the standard rates. So you can add your tax rates for your products. And basically, you can insert now. You can add the country code and basically the rates for your tax. You can name it uh, some name like a VAT tax, etc. And you need just to save the change, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.